Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video. This time we are going to check on one device for your work from home. Jabra Evolve 65 stereo headset. It is a professional wireless headset with dual connectivity and amazing sound for calls. It is on the market for some time already and many companies are providing them to their employees to support their efficient work from home. It features left or right wearing style. Yes, that is correct. The Jabra Evolve 65 can be worn on the left or right by flipping the microphone to the other side. It is flippable by 270-degree limit. When you open the box, you can notice the Get Started quick guide on how to connect the computer, how to connect the mobile phone or smartphone. And inside we have some documentation. Obviously there is a quick start guide on Jabra Evolve 65. Again, how to connect the computer to smartphone. There is explanation on the buttons and the function buttons. There is also a documentation on the warning and declarations. Contents of the package: headset itself, carry pouch, Jabra Link 370 dongle, USB cable with USB-A on one side to connect to PC and micro USB on other side to connect to headset. And together with the documentation we have a pouch, and the pouch is very nice material. It's almost like kind of neoprene fabric. It's very soft on touch. It might be water resistant, I didn't try. But inside the pouch there is a headset together with the cable. The cable, as you can notice, it's bright orange. And within the pouch there is also pocket, a small pocket for your USB dongle. This is very practical. When you would be traveling together with your notebook, you can pack your headset in it within the pouch, and you can pack your dongle as well. So this is the headset. You can see there is a orange stripe on the headband to make it look nicer. The label "Free Concentration Music" is attached to it. The microphone is rotatable 270 degrees, and this is the sound of the buttons. In the middle there is a function button, and on the top there is a volume up and at the bottom volume down, or mute and unmute. The headset band is adjustable. It features storing of the microphone, meaning when you are listening to music or are outdoors, the microphone can be magnetically stored in the headband groove. The cushions, the on-ear cushions are adjustable as well. As you can see, they can incline to whatever position you would like. And we are not done with adjustability. The sides of the earbuds are rotatable as well, so it really can fit any type of angle on the ear. The microphone is adjustable as well. You can bend it. It's probably some kind of bendable metal. You can basically adjust it to be close to your mouth. And this is the USB-A to micro USB cable. As you can see, it's bright orange. That's probably so that you cannot lose it together with other cables. It's somewhere in the box. And let's just try to connect it. So that's the micro USB connector. You'll just plug it in. If you'll manage it for first time, yep, that's what happens. Probably the USB-C would be on the next version, but right now we have micro USB, so we have to fight with it, live with it. It fits. And then we have the button to turn on the headset, LED indicator about the battery status, and you can also pair with it the Bluetooth, and there is a LED to indicate the pairing, the Bluetooth pairing. When you turn on the headset, it blinks green, the blue light indicates pairing, and when you turn off the headset, it blinks red. Yep. So the adjustability is very nice. They are very light. As you can see, they are bendable, so it really will adjust to any size of the head and ear. And this would be the content of the package. Again, worth to mention the dongle, USB dongle, which is in the pocket inside the pouch. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button to see the next video. Cheers!